This dog here is in kennel 60, and what a beautiful dog. I mean, can you see his face? He's gorgeous. This is San Bernardino City Shelter, and hey, Bubba, this is one of my favorite dogs here. Hey, what's going on? How come you're so sad today? He's beautiful. Not getting any notice at all. Huh. There's my friendly puppy. Yes, sirree. There he is. He's a real nice dog. And he's depressed. Are you getting depressed? Then we got another one. Beautiful dog here. Oh, you're gorgeous. And we're going down the aisle here. Oh, empty kennel. Oh, and look at this guy. Huh? Is this red? I know. He's not a young chick or anything, but he's a nice dog. This is kennel 55 at San Bernardino City Shelter. And this guy is a hunka. You're a hunka. If I was a dog, I'd marry you. You're beautiful. Yes, I would. You're gorgeous. He's a big, handsome. You'd be a rock in one of those dogs. He's gorgeous. Can you sit? Huh? Sit. 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 Nope, not having it. No, he doesn't. He's a real smart dog. And this one, I think the kids had out over the weekend in the playground, and just a real fun dog. And this is Rocco. Rocco's right straight as you walk out the front door, and nobody even sees him. He's a big, big baby. Come here, Rocco. Oh, I heard that they had you out this weekend. Did they? Yes, they did. Yes. I think I saw Maria posted a video on him. He's gorgeous, and he's been here, shoot, April 9th, it looks like. You're a good boy. Yes, you are.